When you set off on a camping trip, you're leaving the majority of your creature comforts at home to be one with nature and experience all the world has to offer. But that doesn't mean you have to rough it per se. There are plenty of clever camping gadgets that make living out of a backpack and sleeping under the star a little more comfortable. Today we are counting down the top 20 brilliant camping gadgets for any outdoor adventure. Moving on to number 1, the compressible travel pillow. Why rest your head on the ground when you can cozy up to a soft and fluffy foam travel pillow? It won't add any bulk to your pack. It compresses down to 1/8 of its 14 by 18 inch size. 2. Luminodel. Like holiday lights but more portable. Hang this battery powered string of lights from your tent so you don't have to fumble with a flashlight in the dead of the night. When packed it with included nylon bag, it also functions as a convenient lantern. Number 3. Solar beer pack cooler. A comfortable and ergonomic backpack style cooler that keeps up to 18 cans ice cold for more than 24 hours. If you really want to max out its capacity, the bag also has a front mesh pocket, a zipper pocket, and 2 side slots for water bottles. Number 4. Personal water filter. Not sure if you will have access to clean drinking water? This straw has over 7,000 5-star reviews because like magic it can filter up to 1,000 liters of water without any chemicals or iodine. 5. Portable mosquito repeller. Protect yourself from all those itchy bug bites with this tiny device. It emits a DEET-free, scent-free insect repellent that covers an impressive 15-foot zone up to 12 hours. 6. Camp Stove Portable Grill. This small portable stove is just 8 inches tall and weighs just 3 pounds, creates smokeless flames that will efficiently cook any campfire fire. It also has a smart LED screen for monitoring the fire strength, power output, and fan speed settings. 7. Outdoor blanket. Plan to picnic along the way, you will want to have this durable weatherproof blanket at the ready. It folds into a case no bigger than the palm of your hand, but provides the perfect spot for up to 4 people to perch. 8. Yeezy Go Portable Camping Chair. Why settle for an unsteady, uncomfortable rock when you can take a load of discomfort through a large enough to support up to 300 pounds? The chair weighs only 2.6 pounds and collapses to just 16 inches to fit in your backpack. Number 9. Portable wash bag. There's no need to tote dirty laundry from point A to point B in cleaning lab testing for camping essentials. This wash bag flexible washboard effectively removed both smells and stains. It's not substitute for a real washing machine, but a few minutes of scrubbing will do the trick in a pinch. Number 10. Titan Stormproof Match Kit. You will never be caught without a light, a potentially life-saving item. With this Stormproof Match Kit, the carrying case is fully waterproof and matches can stand up to 12 gale force winds for as long as 25 seconds. Number 11. Classic Vacuum Bottle. A camping classic for good reason. The heavily insulated leak-proof bottle keeps cool drinks ice cold and warm drinks piping hot for up to 24 hours, and the lid doubles as a cup for the ultimate inconvenience. Number 12. LED headlamp flashlight. Use this bright light headlamp to keep your hands free while you prep your campsite for the night or cook dinner over the open fire. There is no need to worry about battery life. It runs up to 45 hours straight. Number 13. Tool Cord Pro. Who would ever guess something so small could be so useful in so many different scenarios? This 40-in-1 tool as small as credit card and functions as a wrench, a pry bar, a cord cutter, a bottle opener and more. You will be prepared for whatever the wilderness throws your way. 14. Portable outdoor shower. Instantly transform any water source, even a bucket of water, into a mini on-the-go shower. For the most comfortable experience, use the S-shaped hook to hang the head from the tree branch. 15. Coffee and espresso maker. If you can't function, let alone hike in mountain without your daily cup of coffee, make sure to pack this portable coffee station. This simple press-style machine expertly brews up to 3 servings of a coffee or espresso in about a minute. In kitchen lab testing for the best single-serve coffee makers, tester loved that all parts can fit easily into a gallon biggie and super easy to wash. 16. Microfiber towel. When camping, trade your standard terry cloth option for microfiber. It's lightweight, packs capacity absorbent 5 times its weight in water and dries in a flash. 17. Hiking day pack. For day trippers, a water resistant backpack that weighs just half a pound yet holds all the gear, food and water you will need from sun up to sundown. 18. Z-Lite Soul Ultra Light Foam Backpacking Mattress. With this soft, compact foam camping mattress, it's possible to wake up just as well rested after a night under the stars. It's particularly good for chilly evening since the mattress has a reflective thermocapture coating and heat-trapping dimples that trap radiant heat to increase overall warmth by 20%. 19. Destination Kitchen Set. Thanks to this compact kit, your campsite can function almost as well as your own kitchen does. It contains everything you need for your post-hike feast. 4 forks, 4 spoons and 4 knives, a compressible whisk, a pivot spoon, a pivot spatula, a utility knife, a spice shaker, 2 condiment containers, a cutting board, a scrubber and a camp towel, all tucked into one durable case. Moving on to the number 20. Paracord Survival Bracelet. Keep some of the most essential survival gear as close to as your palm of your hand as possible. This 5-in-1 bracelet contains a fire starter, a reliable compass, a loud emergency whistle, an emergency knife, and 15 feet of military grenade paracord, so you will be prepared for any unforeseen threats to your safety. So these are our top 20 brilliant camping gadgets for any outdoor adventure, and if you want to add something to it, make sure to leave a comment below. Subscribe to this channel. We'll catch you on the video. Keep visiting Tigers Schooling.